Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Waec year 2018 comments past question. Question number 3 says one example of a product of the construction industry is a dash. When we talk of construction industry, remember that we have types of industries. We mean industry that make construction of objects or things and so on and so forth, that construct, that use physical efforts towards production, towards production and so on and so forth. Then A, share. B, bag of cement. C, pieces of clothes. D, television. The correct option here is option A, because share is constructed by people that fall into this profession called carpenter. Carpenter are people that fall within this category of profession, and they work in construction industry. Your example of a construction industry, we have Julius Berger in Nigeria. Julius Berger is a German word, that's why it's called Berger, not Berger. So if you check Julius Berger as a company, they have this class of people called carpenter. They have class of people who carry out woodwork, that is capital for within the woodwork. We also have people that carry out metal work and so on and so forth. So share is under a construction industry or construction company. Thank you and God bless you. Subscribe for more of our videos.